Little storyteller.
Maya was a little girl with bright, sparkly eyes and hair like sunshine. She had a very special secret. Maya could poof and go to any place that started with the letter P. One sunny morning, Maya wanted to play with her fluffy white bunny, Peep. I think Pip is in the park, she thought. Poof! In a blink, Maya was standing in a green park. Tall trees waved their leafy arms, and colorful flowers smiled in the sunshine. There was Peep, nibbling on a patch of clover. His nose twitched, and his fluffy tail wiggled. Pip, Maya giggled, and Pip hopped over to her. They played hide-and-seek behind a big oak tree and rolled down a little grassy hill. Soon, Maya's tummy started to rumble. Playing makes me hungry, she said to Pip. Let's go to a pizzeria. Poof! Now they were inside a warm and cozy pizzeria. A friendly chef with a tall white hat smiled at them. The smell of yummy pizza filled the air. Maya ordered a small pizza with lots of cheese. Pip nibbled on some lettuce the chef gave him. The pizza was so delicious. Maya ate every slice. After lunch, the sky turned a bit gray, and little drops started to fall. Oh no, it's raining, said Maya. Let's find a puddle to splash in. Poof! They were next to a big sparkly puddle. The raindrops made tiny splashes on the water. Maya put on her yellow boots and splashed in the puddle. Splish, splash, splosh. Pip hopped around the edge, his fluffy fur getting a little wet. They laughed and played until the rain stopped and the sun peeked out from behind the clouds. What a fun day, said Maya, hugging Pip. We went to the park, ate yummy pizza at the pizzeria, and splashed in a puddle. Poof! Maya and Pip were back in Maya's sunny room. Even though Maya could only teleport to places starting with P, she always found fun and exciting things to do. And she learned that even with special magic, having a good friend like Pip made every adventure even better. Did you know there are many, many words that start with the letter P? Maybe you can think of some more places Maya could visit.
Please subscribe. Thank you.